Welcome to Sentinel. I'm your host, Dr. Erdal Ozkaya, and I'm absolutely thrilled that you are here. In a world that's more connected than ever, cybersecurity isn't just a buzzword. It is the bedrock of our digital lives. And that's exactly why we are creating this show. Each week, we will deep dive into the most critical topics facing our digital frontier, joined by the very best in the business, leading CISOs, brilliant technology leaders, and the sharpest minds in security and IT. Our goal is simple: to bring clarity, share actionable insights, and ultimately to empower our community to be safer, stronger, and more importantly, secure. This video is just the beginning, where I will share our mission statement, and the next video, hopefully, will start to introduce you our guest. So let's get started. Global CISO Forum is where visionary security leaders connect and lead together. We stand at an important moment in history. The digital landscape is a battlefield. Threats loom larger, attacks grow bolder, and the stakes have never been higher. The weight of protecting our organizations rests squarely in our shoulders. Besides the evolving threat landscape, we need to deal with increasing pressure from boards, regulators, governments, and businesses. Some of us don't have a seat at the board, yet we are not alone. This is the fundamental reason we gather: to forge a CISO community, a space where experience is shared, knowledge flows freely, and the spirit of collaboration triumphs over individual challenges. This is the space where experience is shared. This is a space where we're going to come together and learn from each other. Sometimes virtually, but we have physical events too across the globe. Again, the Global CISO Forum community is not simply a network. It's a lifeline, a force multiplier, and a wellspring of inspiration. So, what is our mission? Our mission, of course, is to bring together allied security leaders, technology leaders across the globe. We want to elevate the CISO role through collective voice and leadership. This CISO role, this is a Global CISO Forum. Of course, we have a Global CIO Forum as well. When I say CISO, you don't have to be the CISO to join our show, our events. This is the platform where you're going to share your voice. I'm just the host to ask you the questions. We want to help you to get the message to the boards. I'm pretty aware that you know that cybersecurity is not only about technology. I know that you are aware that cybersecurity is not just a field. If cybersecurity is a mindset, it's our role, it's part of our role to create a security-first culture. And this is where we're going to share our experiences to raise our voice. We need to think critically, act decisively, and guard relentlessly. Our job is not about troubleshooting packet captures, decoding scripts, looking at logs, and battling simulated intrusions, or creating incident response plan, or creating security culture. It's all together combined. We are fully aware that every device, every line of code, every email can be a point of risk. We are also aware that behind every system we secure, there are individuals, organizations, and communities that rely on our expertise. Your work as technology leader has a real and tangible impact on people's life. As I mentioned earlier, cybersecurity isn't just an IT problem. It is a business or survival issue. As leaders, We are not just to defend systems. We need to build trust. We need to protect privacy and the integrity of society itself. The future of cybersecurity demands more than skills. It demands character, integrity when no one is watching, courtesy that never stops questioning, and resilience. Because attacks will come and we have to be ready. To truly secure our future, we must be more than just defenders. We must be innovators, educators, and leaders. Our work surrounds both the architecture of secure systems and the cultivation of human vigilance. We never stop looking for threats, and at the same time, we empower our teams to rise. The most important thing, we never stop learning because the bad guys won't. As Global CISO Forum, we will help you to get armed with knowledge, which is driven by passion, and hopefully is ready to lead. We will give you the platform where you can learn and where we just don't react to threats. We know we need to anticipate the threats. We have to be creative in our problem-solving skills to strive to build a more secure digital world for all. Today's CISOs are fundamentally strategic business leaders, not just IT security managers. We harness technology to propel secure organizational growth and efficiency, effectively bridging the divide between straight technical landscape and tangible business goals. Our mandate is clear. Safeguard trust with our company, regulators, customers, and shareholders by mastering both the technical complexities and cyber threats and their broader strategic risks. We are the heroes. And we know that security is not a process. It's a process, it's not a product. So, as I mentioned, we are better together and not alone. We are here to secure tomorrow together. To empower cybersecurity leaders through collaboration, knowledge sharing, and strategic foresight, uniting CISOs globally to drive proactive defenses, we have created this forum and this talk show. In my talk show, I will have many guests, which they're going to share their experiences. No products, no script, all about what the guests want to share. You can also be our guest. Again, you don't have to be CISO. You don't have to be the CIO. You just can be someone in IT that has something to say. So, with this, I want to end our mission statement, and I'm really looking forward to see my guest in the show and you being my next guest. Thank you very much for watching and keep in touch.